The journey of precision begins here, at the source. Thousands of hectares of Roma tomatoes.
Quality control begins at the source. Each fruit is manually inspected for peak ripeness and structural integrity.
In the first stage of manual quality control, experienced operators inspect every individual fruit.
Advanced optical sensors scan every individual fruit. Using multispectral imaging, the system identifies.
The tomatoes immediately enter a rapid cooling phase. This thermal shock stops the cooking process instantly.
Using precise mechanical friction and controlled pressure, the outer skins are efficiently removed, leaving the new. Precision is paramount. After the automated peeling process, every single fruit is scanned. Any remaining fragments of skin. The crushed tomato mash enters the primary heating stage. By precisely raising the temperature, we deactivate.
Precision is paramount. Technicians monitor the brix levels, the measurement of natural sugar content, ensure.
The juice undergoes ultra-high temperature processing, heating it to 138 degrees Celsius for a mere fraction. The sealing process is executed in a pressurized, sterile environment. High-torque, automated spindles apply precisely.
Precision is paramount. Every bottle is scrutinized by AI-driven vision systems, cross-reference. Every unit is assigned a unique digital identity. High-resolution inkjet systems apply batch codes and barcodes. Final logistics data is synchronized. Each pallet is digitally tagged, ensuring 100% traceability from the farm to the global supply chain.
Every batch undergoes rigorous molecular analysis. We verify the precise concentration of lycopene and
Before loading, every transport vessel undergoes a rigorous multi-point inspection. We ensure a sterile environment and optimal temperature control. The finished product is loaded into climate-controlled transport units, ensuring the nutritional integrity and freshness of the tomato.
The process concludes with rigorous security protocols. Each shipment is serialized and sealed, ensuring the
In the final stage of the journey, the product is transitioned to the retail environment. Precision in display ensures that
the final link in the chain, the consumer. Here, the precision of our industrial process meets the transparency of nutritional excellence.
Pure, nutrient-dense, and stabilized. The final product achieves a perfect homogenization, preserving the natural.
From the precision of the laboratory to the heart of the home, pure nutrition delivered with integrity. Taste the science of freshness.
From the heart of the field to the peak of precision. Pure nutrition, delivered with industrial excellence.